Have you ever shot video that looked good in your camera's viewfinder, but then when you get it back to your editing software, you get it back to Edius and you're like, oh boy, this is way too blue. There is a powerful tool that can help you fix that if you run into this problem. So let's go have a look at this piece of video I shot out on the parking deck. As you can see, this white vehicle is way too blue. I shot this video at 3,200 degrees Kelvin. Now, that's a good color temperature for indoors in incandescent lighting, but we're outside in the sun, obviously, and anything below about 5,600 degrees Kelvin is going to show up kind of blue. And now 3,200 degrees Kelvin, that's going to be real blue if you're outside in the sun. As you can see, I mean, have a look at this, the white of the car. It's blue, but not just the white. Everything else has kind of a Smurf look to it. So let's have a look at how we can fix this. First of all, go to your effects palette. Then click Effects, and then Video Filters, and then Color Correction. Select the effect that says three-way color balance and drop it onto your clip. Now go over to your information window, click on the effect, and it will open up this window. And there's a lot of intimidating stuff on here, but it's super simple. First, select white, and then on the piece of video, click on something white with your cursor. Then go back to the effects window, select black, and then click on something black. I'm going to click on this dark shadow here under the escape. Go back to the effects window, select gray, and then click on something gray. I'm going to click on the concrete from the parking deck. And we're almost done. As you can see up here, clicking around has changed the parameters for white, black, and gray. So we know we've done something here to make it less blue and more amber colored, more appropriate. You can change these sliders around for the contrast of each white, black, and gray to kind of fine tune how the shot looks, and that helps a little bit. And once we've done that, we can click OK, and we're done. It took seconds to fix that shot. Look, it looks like we color balanced it properly with our camera. But when you look at them next to each other, I mean, look at the difference between the blue shot and the shot that looks like it's properly color balanced. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So if you're out there in the field, you screw up, you shoot some video that looks blue, there's no reason why you can't fix it in Edius. It took seconds, and then you're done. So give this a try and let me know what you guys think.